Ireland. I'm President and CEO of VBINE Energy, and we make a 5 to 6 kilowatt vertical access wind turbine. The design of the generator is there's two flywheels in it with magnets mounted to the flywheels. The wind blades are attached directly to the flywheels, and the flywheels pass, we have a stator, a solid stator between them, so the flywheels rotate and the stator is solid. And there's a lot of turbines that are the opposite way. Their flywheels are solid and their stator turns. By not having the stator turn, we don't need any brushes or slip rings, any of that stuff, because you're running a direct contact down the tower to your grid panel. The design of this thing is very simple. We don't use any gearboxes, we don't use any drive shafts. 15 or 20 year lifespan of this unit with virtually zero maintenance, because all there is the only moving parts is two sealed bearings. Because of the design of this, you have a lot less side loading on your tower too, because a horizontal access you have to force the wind through the blades to turn them, whereas this, as soon as the wind hits the blade, it dissipates the wind. And another nice thing about the vertical, like of the VBINE, is that it will never go over a certain RPM. We do have both mechanical and an electrical brake on it, but if you weren't there to kick them in or if something happened, it will never go over a certain RPM, because you can't dissipate the wind between the blades. So you only reach a maximum RPM and that's it. The biggest advantage is it'll take wind from any direction, and where we've done this install, the people have just taken down a horizontal access because it wouldn't stand up to the volatile winds here. The wind changes direction quite often here, and in 3 years they broke the tail fin off theirs 3 times. They've had a lot of maintenance issues that they're not going to have with this unit. The unit they took down had a gearbox, a clutch, hydraulic cylinders, a yaw, 2 drive shafts. We have none of that. The actual unit is, the base unit of the turbine is 34 inches in diameter. To the outside of the blades, you're about 9 feet in diameter. It's 12 feet high. It weighs a little over 1,000 pounds right now. When we go to the composite blades, it'll be down to about 800 pounds. We've done a wind tunnel test, and it was under 66 decibels at 15 feet, so that's very quiet. It's like being in the cab of a new pickup truck at a 907. And we're not that far away from it here today, and you can't hear it at all. It runs at a very low RPM, very low noise, very low vibration, so it's ideal for high rises, communication towers, etc.
Hi, my name is Perry Palaiki. I'm employed with VBINE Energy. I am the technical lead of research and development for the company. Our company was built on a philosophy based on hard work, honesty, a type of mentality that may be lost in today's manufacturing. We believe that we are building a product that is researched very well. The testing that we do on our unit is impeccable. The materials, the components are all matched for reliability, for durability. We don't spare any expense in trying to develop the very best product in the alternative energy industry. The company is small. We have dedicated and very professional people. We stand behind our product. Our philosophy is providing a very high quality product and try to maintain the level of quality and reliability and service that we in Saskatchewan, in the prairies, have been very proud to have been able to build over the years.
We set this unit up here Friday night. The wind speed on the ground was under 5 miles an hour, and as soon as it was up, it was producing power.
Just in concert with what we do on our own at our test facility with the test equipment we have built, with the computer software that we're using, and with the academics of these engineers that we have engaged. It's basically a full package of what we believe progress of evolution for this generator. I see through the company VBINE offering a product that is developed in a very honest and open manner. We are producing a product that is rated at a specific output. We make no claims that it's able to perform outside of its capabilities. We have noticed in the industry that there are a lot of very spurious claims on output and performance. We choose to produce this product as honestly and as openly as possible. Any questions about how we build our product, how we test it, the manufacturers that we use, the materials that we use, anyone in our company would be more than happy to engage any customer, and any questions that anyone has, we would be more than happy to answer.
Or you can phone us at 306-435-3777, and then we'll put you in touch with your local dealer.